Good morning, and welcome to Las Vegas CES 2026. In this 3D VR180 experience, we're bringing you inside of CES 2026 at the Las Vegas Convention Center to explore some of the latest AR, AI, and robotics technology. But first, let's start with Day 0, Media Day highlights. So sit back, relax, and look around. You'll feel like you're right here with us, inside your Galaxy XR Meta Quest or Apple Vision Pro. This is the LG booth, one of the must-see exhibits at CES 2026. As you just saw, this LG AI-powered home robot can fold your clothes better than you can.
Nicely done, CLOiD. Nicely done. Look at that towel.
Probably not better than me, honestly.
Oh, wait. I forgot my keys as well. Just as forgetful as Matthew. Thanks, buddy. What would I do without you? See? No worries. I'm in. See, CLOiD knows me better than I know myself. So now, let's head to the next space and see how CLOiD supports somebody else's daily life, shall we? All right, let's go.
But more impressively, it communicates with your other LG appliances.
All right, so the robot vacuum, it got stuck because of the hamper. CLOiD noticed instantly and moved the hamper out of the way so that the cleaning could continue. So the way that they all can recognize these types of situations, communicate, and work together to get this done shows amazing teamwork. I'm proud of them. Very nice job, both of you.
See, so now it's going to change. This display is now neon because you saw a neon sign.
Wow.
You could focus on the car and swipe down again, and it's going to give us a whole display of bringing up the vehicle information for that car that you saw.
Oh, okay. Wow. So what is this booth? What do I do?
Yeah, so this is LG's vision for the future of mobility, and so this booth right here right now is focusing on our in-camera system and sensing systems. So a lot of this is gesture-controlled or eye tracking.
Right.
And so right now we're actually simulating that you're stopped at a red light, and you and I could look, and you're going to be the blue dot, and I'm the pink dot, and you can hover over different items to see. So we see that the red light is 59 seconds long. You could hover over the car down at the bottom, and it's gonna give you a motion control so you can kind of gesture your hands, and then it's gonna bring up on this display all of the information about the vehicle. And so our idea is that in the future you'll be able to use your car to look at things and get different points of interest, or bring up different vehicle ideas and things.
Personally, I think this is really cool. LG is basically bringing Vision Pro style eyes and hand tracking into your car, letting you control your vehicle with gestures. So in theory, anyone can learn how to drive without learning how to drive. I don't know if that's a good idea. We also saw the world's tiniest wallpaper TV. It measures just a few millimeters thick, despite being absolutely massive. Seeing it in 3D 180 makes you appreciate how far OLED technology has come.
Hello. What's your name?
Hello.
Hello. What is this?
Beyond robotics, the future of driving and some very cute AI pets are right here. The thing I'm most excited about is the future of wearables and spatial computing right on your face. As you can see, many companies are launching AI glasses that already make Meta display feel like old tech. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into AI and AR glasses from TCL, Rogue Kid, and Android XR Project Aurora from Xreal. Android XR is having a big year here at CES, and even the Las Vegas Sphere is getting in on it, showcasing that cute little Android robot wearing a Galaxy XR. If you want to experience this full 20-minute immersive experience in the highest quality 16K 180, download our Apple Vision Pro app, Spatial Film, and watch it there for free. The full experience really feels like you went to CES 2026 with us. I hope to see you there, or I'll see you in our next CES 2026 deep dive.